Hello everyone, it's Hanny with my Young Journal Embellishment Challenge number 39, the second in 2021. And the prompt is winter, just winter, simple. And what I'm going to make is a collage topper. And if you don't know what that is, well, it's a kind of journal page, but I make it on a loose piece of paper, a collage, with a focal image, I think, maybe this one or another one. But in topper, you can put on the front of a journal or just on a page inside. If I want to make a topper here, I just do it that way. I measure it, and then it will be in centimeters, well, 13 centimeters, 12 centimeters by 18. Oh well, 13 by 18 centimeters is a standard size for cards. So I think I'm going to do that. So I can glue it just on a page. Could make a big pocket of it that I can put something on top on the side. And you can put it on the front of a journal. And I call it a, topper. I don't know the name for it. And, well, you can do different things with it. What I'm going to use as well, this piece of craft paper. It's not very heavy. I think it's 180 or 200, well, grams per centimeter square. I don't know how you call that. Well, you can see it. It's not very flimsy, but it's sturdy. And I have I found some papers, some pictures, magazine pictures, and here a piece of, well, December I like, or January, or both. Here I have a little printout of my digital cards, Christmas cards. And this is my envelope with bluish papers. I've been, well, decluttering a bit and sorting a bit my papers. And I will explain that in a new video. Sorry of my dirty bandage. Well, I have to use it because it hurts if I don't. I will make a video, a separate video of that, how I sorted my papers. So, well, like I said, I'm going to make a collage with these bluish papers, and I have a lot of scraps, of course, little scraps. I can use some of those. And I have a few scrap samplers from my friends I got a few years ago. So paper's enough to use. I'm going to speed up the video again. And well, I hope you enjoy watching. Bye.